Hi everybody, I'm working on a 2000 SLK 230 compressor. The convertible top is leaking, as you see, all the leaks over here. So the leak was from those two shocks. This shock right here, and the other one over there on the other side. So those two has been replaced, and then I found out that the shock from here, this one goes right there on the ceiling right here like this. So there's two clips to take this off, and it's pretty simple. I ordered one for $60 from eBay, and it just came yesterday. So I'm gonna go ahead and replace this. So you just have to unhook, release this cable from a couple of spots here. You have to of course remove this roof, the shed over here, and then this one comes from you have to remove this panel right here. The only way to remove this panel is to release these two from the latch here, and then pull it on the back like the way I did, and then it will come off. Otherwise it's not gonna come off. So those two pipes that's coming from there from the front is numbered here is 3-1 and 3-3. So these two, this one and this one. So you just have to open this, and then this, and this one, this all a flip, it will turn, and then you just remove it. There is a hole here. You just have to turn it this way. You just have to remove this plastic part first in order for these to turn. So I think I don't need this. Actually I do. You have to take this off, otherwise it's not gonna turn. You see all these three pieces comes from these three metals that's holding these pipes in place, the pressure pipes. So and then you just do the same thing. This is the two that comes from the front. It's like 3-3 and 3-1 numbered. So once I replace this one, I'm gonna test it and show you guys how it works. This is one of the hydraulic shock from the back, behind the motor, behind the convertible top motor. There's two of them. One is on the right, one is on the left. So I'm trying to rebuild this one. But what you need to do is I just been able to remove this locking mechanism inside here. It's right here. So you have to, these type of a little punch, you need to drill all five of them like I did, and then you put something like a stronger needle nose of these, one of these tools, you know what I'm talking about, and then you pull it here, push it inside the hole, and then work it out. It takes a while. It took me like half an hour to take this off, but finally I took it out. And when it was out like this much, then I put this tool, the wiser, whatever you call it, and lock it in, and then hit it with a hammer. Slowly hit it with a hammer like this and remove it. So now I have to remove the washer from inside that is leaking. And I ordered this one from Amazon, the kit that comes with a hydraulic fluid, one of these syringe that you can replace the fluid inside the motor, and the instruction, of course, with all the instruction in here. If you scan this one, it will show you the instruction how to do all of this. There's five of these washers. These are a special washer. It's not like one of those O-ring, any O-ring that you can put in. This is with Westbourne kit number 2, whatever. One washer for each hydraulic. So this car, this is the same exact car that I have. It's a 2000. Between 97 to 2004 is all the same. And this one is the other, the one that goes to the two sides of the top. This one is easy to remove. This one is easy. You just punch one hole in here and then remove the this one first, this little washer first, and then you put a pick or a very tiny strong flat screwdriver to remove this one from inside, from right there, from the thread. Remove that one, and then you can, this is the washer. As you see, the washer is all messed up, so you remove this washer and put one of these instead. Put one of these. This longer one, this big one, goes to these two on the side. This one goes to the top where the sunroof is, you know, the front, and these two goes to the back, the two back that I just showed you. This one, there's two similar, goes to the back, that open and close the trunk. So I'm gonna go ahead and replace this one. So hopefully once I'm all done, I'm gonna make a little video. You need to remove this, U-shaped thing from here. In order to do this, there's a nut here. You have to loose the nut first and then remove this one. If you have to remove this according to instruction, and put this all the way inside and then drill these holes to remove this one. So that is the instruction. So far so good. So I'm gonna go ahead and replace the washer, probably do like air compressor, clean it up, make sure everything is clean inside, and then I'm putting inside, put the new washer inside. Then I will let you guys know how it works. Thanks. All right, now I put the washer, but this is very important. On when you take this off, when you untie this one, make sure the measurement over here. What I did, I put like a little electrical tape, and then once you remove it, you just take a picture of this, make sure how many threads is it. You just have to put it exactly the same, because if you don't, then it's gonna mess up the balance of the trunk. One side goes up and one side goes down, so you don't want that. Now this one is in place. What I did on this one is when you install it back, I put one of these sockets on top of it like this, and then on the other one, or if you have like a deep socket, just put the deep socket and then hit it with a hammer slowly. Just put it on the floor like this, hit it with the hammer slowly till it goes flash like that, like before. So now I think it's ready to go. I'm gonna go ahead and install it once the weather allows it. We are about to get some snow here in Virginia, so I'm gonna put a link on the description for the parts that I got, the washer and this kit that I got for $60 from Amazon. All of these. So I put one, as you see, it was 5. I put one of the smaller one over here. I'm hoping, crossing my finger, that the other side doesn't leak, because every time I change one, the other one start leaking. So I don't know, we'll see, because these are all same age, you know, they age. And the washer that I took out, look at the pieces of the washer that I took out, it's all messed up. So this washer like this obviously is gonna leak. So this will help you a lot, because each of these, I couldn't find anything for single one of this on eBay or anywhere online. Is like $450. So with $60 kit, you can fix all 5 of them. So I hope this helps somebody. As long as you're handy a little bit on how to do some repairs. It's very easy to remove this one from the car too. You just have like a little pin over here. You just unhook it from there, and then this one, it has like a special pin that you can twist it this way, and then it comes up. So it's very easy. And then this one is held in by zip ties to the rest of these cables. I mean the pressure hose. You just cut it and then you can put new zip tie, so it's not a big deal. I took some pictures to make sure, put it all the same way it came out. So I'm gonna put it together tomorrow and test. In order to secure this holes that you drill in, once you put the washer in, everything is in place. So I couldn't find a cutter pin as tiny as this one, so what I did, I cut a piece of a spring, like a tiny spring, and then cut a piece, run it through. So what I'm gonna do like I'm gonna put some electrical tape around this that doesn't come out. So this goes inside that little opening from one hole to another hole, so that will secure this pin inside the little ring that you put in here. It's not gonna go anywhere, so I'm gonna put some tapes around this. That'll take care of it really good, like so. So now it's I put the electrical tape to hold that little piece in, and now this one is ready to be installed in the car. I'm trying to change the hydraulic liquid too. So the best way to do this, this one comes with the kit. It's very handy. So you need to unscrew these two bolts, put the motor the motor side down and this one up the tank, so that way you can just, let me see if I can do this. You see that? It's pretty dirty, so I'm gonna replace that one too, like that, and then you empty it in the old bottle and then replace it with a new one that comes with the kit. This is the new hydraulic bottle that comes with all the washer in a kit, in this little piece too. All of them comes, everything that you need. I'm gonna put the link in the description. Look at the difference. You see the other one, and look how clear this one is. So that means the other one was very, very dirty, so it needed to replace. And you normally put it in the middle of these two lines. All right, finally, I got this figured out. Everything, all these cylinder has been replaced. This one, that one, and this one inside. That one right there has been replaced. Bought it from eBay. And the other two in the rear, these two, I hope you can see it. That one right there. As you see, this one I couldn't replace it because I could actually, but because they're running for like $450 each. So what I did, as you see, I rebuilt both of them. Let me see if I could get a clear video down right there. The instruction on the rebuild comes as that you have to put like a pin inside here, the hole that you make, but that didn't work. So for me, I had to weld it and make it smooth and nice. So now both sides is sitting in place. I am putting back together the car. I tested it twice, it's working, everything is good to go. But when I put everything together, I'm gonna go ahead and test it again and film it. Testing now, go ahead, do it. The moment of truth. Hold it. Don't let it go. All the window closes and then let it go. That's it.